In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the Eternity Chain Token on Coinbase. So the first step is to log into your account on coinbase.com. If you don't have one yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you are logged into it, go to the search bar and search for ERN. And as you can see, there is the Eternity Chain Token. So select the token and now you are at the token page. As you can see, we have the current market price over here, a price chart and some time frames to select. Select the different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past. Once you have checked that, then you can scroll a little bit down and read some more information about this token by clicking on read more. As you can see, we have some information about it. Read through all of that and after that scroll a little bit more down to see the coin stats. As you can see, we have the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time high. After that, we can go to the trading options on the right side and we have three options, a buy, sell and convert option. For now we will select the buy option because we want to buy this coin, and we can also select the order type. In this order we are using the one-time order, that is a single order for the current market price. And you can also select a recurring buy if you are planning to buy these coins a lot more than once. So that will automatically purchase this coin on a daily, weekly or monthly base. So for now we will select the one-time order and also select your payment method, because that is very important. You can change it by clicking on it, and as you can see there are some payment methods available in this list. If your preferred payment method is not available here, then add it by clicking on this button down below. Once you have added it, just select it and go back to this overview. And now we need to fill in how much we would like to spend on this coin. Let's say 1000 euros, and here you will see how much coins you will receive in return. After that, always check if you have selected the right coin, of course because we search for it, but always double check it. Now you can click on review order, and as you can see we are paying a transaction fee for this order. But I will give you guys a useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. Basically every order or trade you make on Coinbase you are paying a transaction fee. But with the Coinbase One subscription you won't pay any transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. So try it out for free for 7 days. And with one order you're already making profit with that. Once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in the next video and have a nice day. Bye bye.